Hey everybody, so for my birthday, for one of my birthday presents, he always gets me a bunch. Chris got me a candle making kit. I've been wanting to kind of explore this, and I thought that a kit would give me all of the necessary elements to put candles together. And I was pretty much right, you guys. I've watched some videos online about candle making, and it does appear that I have almost everything that I need in this kit. So I thought we'd just, just for fun, do a little unboxing today. And this kit, I forget where he got it from. Well, I'm sure he ordered it on Amazon. The only hitch in the giddy up here is their instructions are so confusing. Of course, it's made in China, and we're getting away from all that. But, like, just for example, step 7 is cut off. Whoops, step 5, 6, 7. Step 7 is cut off the extra wick and paste matching stickers according to the color and fragrance. We have reserved a horizontal line to write the blessing on the sticker, which I really do love, and give the candle to your dearest person. But here's the thing, this is not right. The temperature to melt the wax is not right. You're supposed to clean the tins before you start the whole process. So, I mean, it's a little confusing, and that's why I took some time to watch some YouTube videos. Also, you have to let the candle sit for like 3 to 5 days. You let it set 24 hours, and then you let it sit again for 3 to 5 days to cure the candle. So there's none of that in here. It's really nice, but there's just so much stuff that I didn't realize that there was going to be a lot of math to this, and I'm kind of like, I don't really like math, and I cannot do math. But you have to measure things out. Now, that is one thing really super good about this kit. It has the soy measured out, so you can make one candle at a time. And that's what I'm going to do. Today, I'm just going to make one candle and kind of learn the process and evaluate the process. You can see that I've already started a little note, a little note, card note, just to be able to to hopefully do this and make it an addition to my Etsy store. So we've got soy wax, and I think that you get, I think we've got 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so maybe we can make 8 candles. I think that's right. Let me look at the instructions one more time. 8 soy wax, and these are approximately 60 grams of soy wax. All right, so you take the soy wax and you melt it using a double boiler. Now, I haven't unwrapped this yet, so let's just take a look at their idea of a double boiler, which is kind of cool, but that's not a double boiler. This is a heat-proof container. So what will happen is I will use this container to melt my soy wax. Now, here are the fragrances right here, and we'll go through these as well. Let's see what this is. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. I don't know what this is. All right. But this, I mean, this is a pretty stable, really good container. It's not going to make very many candles. You know, that you can look online and you can get these really big containers. So a double boiler, we're just going to heat some water on the stove and in a pot, and then put this pot into the water. And that will heat, that will melt our soy wax. And from what I'm understanding from videos, it does take a little while to melt this wax. Now, Chris gave me a, he didn't give me, he let me borrow his heat gun from the garage so I can point the heat gun at my soy candle melting pot and be able to tell what the temperature of that soy melting is, because that is really important. I got, wow, these are kind of beat up. So you've got 8 of these little tins. One of the first things that you're supposed to do is clean the tins with some alcohol and a cotton ball. So I'm going to do that when I go downstairs. We've got candle tins. We've got 4 fragrances. There's some lemon and lavender, vanilla, and rose. Really nice. This is 10 milliliters of scent. 50 candle wicks here. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is a wax stirrer, but this is not going to work because you're supposed to use silicone, a silicone spatula, so that's not going to work. The bow tie clips are pretty cool because these keep your wick in place. And you've got, so you've only got 2 of them, which means you can only like make 2 candles at a time. Really did get a lot of wicks and the wick stickers here, but only 2 bow tie clips. The stirring spoon, the dye block. So, okay, that's what these are. These are dye blocks. And this will actually dye the candle wax. So that's interesting. An insulation mat. Whoops. These are insulation mats. I'm not sure what you do with these. Maybe you put them on the bottom of the candle. I have seen videos where you actually use warning labels on the bottom of the candle. So I'll have to, you know, as this project progresses, I'll be able to, you know, just kind of get more things to do candles. Oh, here are some scissors. And this is a wick trimmer and a user manual, and of course these stickers as well. So I think this is a great way to just kind of get started on this project. Mia and I, it's very nice today, so we're going to hang out in the kitchen. I can actually put a pot of water on the stove without raising the temperature of the house, and that's really nice. It's a rather cool day here. So that's the plan for today. I will check in another video and show you guys how things turned out. But, you know, I guess the takeaway is if you order a kit, always watch a video. Just to make sure that you know, the directions are actually good directions. These aren't very good directions, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. I've got everything I need to get started. So we're going to get started. Thanks for hanging out with me. I just thought this would be something different and something that you guys might enjoy. I think that this was maybe $24, something like that. So, just a nice way to get started on a new project, hopefully for the holidays. Thanks for hanging out with me, y'all. Talk to you soon. Bye.